Hey everybody, it's the Walrus. Just out here at the pond and taking a look at Bonzi Boo and Susie Sue down there. They are still swimming around under the ice and having a good time. And I saw the catfish earlier, but now I can't see him. I think he went hiding back underneath the rocks over here. But the catfish was out and swimming. He doesn't have a name, he's just the catfish. But Bonzi Boo and Susie Sue are swimming around, just having a good time underneath all this ice. Yeah, it's frozen pretty good. I mean, I can stand on it and it doesn't go through, so it's pretty solid. This is how I gauge whether or not we can go ice fishing is how badly or how frozen the pond is, and then extrapolate that to a bigger body of water. I think we could probably go ice fishing because this is about 4 to 5 inches thick, and so that means the lakes would be a few inches thick. But yeah, I think that catfish is back under the rocks. I can't really see him though. Ice is a little too thick to see all the way through pretty fairly. But going out to the farm today and gonna take a look at some of the baby animals. I'll bring you along, but got to get everybody else up and going right now, and I'll talk to you in a few. Hey everybody, it's the Walrus and Mama Jaybird. We're gonna take a look around the farm and we're gonna feed the hogs. So here we go. All right, so these are the goats and they're starting to steal some of the food. The chickens and everybody. Now you come across the wire. I don't want you to get electrocuted. There we go. We're good to go. Alright. Hey, get out of the bucket. Are you getting the animals?
Yeah.
Looky here. Look at the big cow.
My baby.
Hey, beautiful. Hey, Sebastian. Hey. Where
Little
you going?
Sebastian.
Look at all the thieves. This is the weather I was telling you about, honey. The sweet weather goat that is really nice. All the rest of them are thieves. They're taking all the buns that belong to the hogs.
They want some too.
You gonna come
They're
here?
so shy.
Well, that one's a baby. That one's not even a year old yet. Hey, get off of it.
They want some too, Papa.
I know they want these buns. You okay? I know you want a piece. You want a piece?
It's so good.
You want a piece of bread? Here you go. Hey, not you guys. All right. Well, come on, Mama.
Maybe it's hard for the baby. Oh dear.
Go on.
I'm gonna walk around by the fence.
I'm getting rambunctioned by the goats here. In this little enclosure right here, but they've let them out since. Get out of there! You just will not leave it alone. Oh, they've got the babies out.
Oh my gosh, they're adorable.
They got the piggies out. There's the ducks over there. Well, hello, pigs.
Hi, Bud.
There's some
Look
of the
at these
babies right
babies.
there. Look at the little piglets. Oh, you guys want some, huh? You guys want some slime? Do ya? Oh, there you go.
Yeah, give the goats a little bit.
There you go.
Holy cow.
That's what's going to flop them. Here come all the babies. Make sure you get them on video.
Trying. Oh my gosh.
Okay. Come on.
Spread some of those things for the little babies. They can't get in.
They'll get the left of what's left. There they go. Here's the baby. Oh my gosh. She's pregnant. Look how big she is.
She's a big mama.
She's big mama.
Look at the babies under the fur.
Babies are having a good time. Oh, look at this little guy right here. They were in their own enclosure back there until they were big enough, but look at them all now. Oh, touch the fence. That's not a good deal.
Give that to the goat.
I'm going to give it to the little baby.
There's a mini one. Here you go.
Love pig. There you go. Pig.
They like the vegetables.
Yep, they love the vegetables. Figures they like the bread too.
Oh, they keep getting shot.
Touch the fence a little bit too much.
Too close.
There you go.
This pig back here is like rooting in the ground. Digging.
Yeah. This is the boar.
Oh.
The big one right there.
Yeah.
You see? See the set? Oh, look at the little babies are getting some now. They're getting in here. Look at all these little babies. They're not tiny anymore. They're cute. There's the big boar and the big sows.
The babies.
I think this one was in heat last time, so she may be pregnant.
Oh boy. There's medium-sized ones and babies. There's just that one medium-sized one. Or is that the biggest of them?
No, that was of a different litter, and they sold all of them at one.
Yeah.
And then here's all the little new piggies.
So stinking cute. Oh,
Running in and getting what they need to get. That one's getting in the water dish. Here comes a mama goat again. Hey, mama.
I love the pigs' little tails. Little piglets. Holy moly.
She was reaching through to get that cracker.
Back on it.
There's a cracker. There's that sweet potato. They like the bread and the crackers and
The
all
lettuce.
those veggies.
Yeah.
They're just having a blast. See the new hog barn he's building right there?
Love it.
So they can get in out of the cold. I mean, there's one back there, but
Yeah.
it's small. Now
Let's go see the baby calf now.
All right, we got to go out all the way out. And here's the last of them. Our little baby. There you go. Hey, Bessie.
Hi, baby.
Baby Bessie. Come here. Come here. Yeah. Got to keep her warm inside the barn. You can reach her?
No.
You got a little fur baby coming to see you.
Come here, come over by the... Yeah. Oh.
You can't reach her, Mama?
No.
You want to go around the other side?
It's okay. Oh, she's really cute.
Yeah, she's just a little baby. She's about 3 weeks old now. Yeah. All right. All right, so that was a little trip around the farm, and ooh, got a bad glare. But we got to see the goats and the chickens, the ducks, the pigs, the cows, and the little baby. Yeah, so that's pretty much the farm and what we do, and I'll catch you next time. As always, thank you everybody for subbing. The channel's growing like wildfire. We're up to 440 some now, and you got to see Mama Jaybird. She has a channel out there too. It's called Mama Jaybird. Check her out. She only has one video posted, but she's starting to make some more and grow her channel. Make today the best that you can just by you being a part of it. Happy trails, everybody.